Have a pleasant morning, everyone. My name is Carla Nabanales. I'm fourth year college from BSHM. For today's report, I'll be discussing the assigned topic to me, which is Rizal in the eyes of the millennials. Who is Dr. Jose Rizal? Dr. Jose Rizal was born on June 19, 1861 in Calamba, Laguna. Rizal was a polymath who excelled at painting, drawing, sculpting, and engraving in addition to medicine. He is a poet, writer, and novelist, best known for his novels Noli Me Tangere and El Filibustrismo. What is the full name of Dr. Jose Rizal? Yung doktor po is nagmula sa kanyang pagtatapos ng kursong medisina sa Universidad Central de Madrid. Yung Jose naman po ay pinili ng kanyang ina na isang deboto ni Saint Joseph. Yung Protasio ay nagmula kay Gervasio P na galing sa isang Kristiyanong kalendaryo. Yung Rizal naman po ay hango sa salitang Rizal na ang ibig sabihin ay luntian na bukirin. Ang merkado naman po ay inadapt ng paternal great-great-grandfather ni Jose Rizal na si Domingo Lamco. Ang merkado ay hango sa salitang English na market. Ang ang ibig sabihin naman ito ay at. Ang Alonso naman ay dating apelyido ng kanyang ina. Yung Rialonda ay ginamit ni Doña Chodora na nagmula sa kanyang lola. Si Dr. Jose Rizal or si Pepe, o mas kilala bilang Jose Rizal noong siya ay bata pa, Pepe ang naging palayaw niya dahil sa panahon ng mga Espanyol, ang pangalang Jose ay kadalasang may palayaw na Pepe. Who are the parents of Jose Rizal? We have Francisco Mercado, father of Jose Rizal, who was the youngest of 13 offspring of Juan and Cecilia Mercado, born in Binyan, Laguna on April 18, 1818, studied in San Jose College, Manila and died in Manila. Yung mother naman po niya is si Chodora Alonso. She was a business-minded woman, courteous, religious, hardworking, and well-read. She was born in Santa Cruz, Manila on November 14, 1827 and died in 1913 in Manila. Siblings of Jose Rizal, we have Saturnina, yung panganay, Pasiano, only brother of Jose Rizal, Narcisa, the third child. Yung pang-apat naman po ay si Olympia, yung pang-lima ay si Lucia, yung pang-anim naman po ay si Maria, and pang-pito naman po si Dr. Jose Rizal. Yung pang-8 po ay si Concepcion Rizal na namatay po at the age of 3. Pang-9 child is si Josefa Rizal, yung pang-10 child is si Trinidad Rizal, yung bunso naman po is si Soledad Rizal. Jose Rizal, educational background. Rizal's mother, Doña Chodora, was his first teacher. Doña Chodora was patient and understanding. She also discovered that Rizal had a talent of poetry and encouraged him to write poems. Yung private tutors niya is si Maestro Celestino, Maestro Lucas, and Leon Monroy. Rizal went to Binyan in June 1869. He was accompanied by his older brother Pasiano and taught by Maestro Astiniano. And in Ateneo, Rizal entered Ateneo in 1872. He belonged to the class composed of Spaniards, Mestizos, and Filipino. He was considered as inferior and was placed at the bottom of the class. By the end of the month, he became the emperor and received a prize, a religious picture. Rizal graduated on March 23, 1877, attaining sobresaliente or excellence with 5 medals. He received the degree of Bachelor of Arts. Medical studies in University of Santo Tomas. In 1877 to 1882, he continued his education at University of Santo Tomas and finished a year in philosophy and letters. After deciding to shift to a medical course, he made the decision for him to be a physician and be able to treat his mother's failing eyesight. Pre-med course. Jose Rizal granted the privilege of taking simultaneously the preparatory course and the first year of medicine. Rizal also received his 4-year practical training in medicine at the Hospital de San Juan de Dios in Intramuros. During his last year at the university, Rizal had obtained the global grade of notable in all of his subjects, and he was the second best student, decimated class of 7, who passed the medical course. After, Rizal decided to study in Spain. Academic journey to Spain. In 1882 to 1885, his departure for Spain was kept secret from Spanish authorities, friars, and even to his parents, especially his mother, because she would not allow him to go and to avoid detention. On May 3, 1882, he boarded the Salvadora, bound for Singapore. He was the only Filipino passenger that time. And on November 3, 1882, he enrolled in Universidad Central de Madrid, taking up to two courses, philosophy and letters, and medicine. On June 21, 1884, he conferred the degree of licentiate in medicine. The following academic year, he studied and passed all subjects, leading to the degree of Doctor of Medicine. Unfortunately, he was not able to submit the thesis required for graduation, nor paid the corresponding fees. With that, he was not awarded his doctor's diploma. Rizal also finished his studies in philosophy and letters with higher grades. He was awarded the degree of licentiate in philosophy and letters by the Universidad Central de Madrid in June 19, 1885 with a rating of excellence. Ophthalmology studies and travels in Europe. In 1885, Rizal, who was then 24 years old, went to Paris to acquire more knowledge in ophthalmology. On February 3, 1886, after gathering some experience in ophthalmology, he left Paris and went to Heidelberg, Germany. He worked at the University Eye Hospital under the direction of Dr. Otto Becker. On April 22, 1886, Rizal wrote a poem entitled A las Flores de Heidelberg, to the flowers of Heidelberg, because he was fascinated by the blooming flowers along the Neckar River, which was the light blue flower called Forget-Me-Not. On August 14, 1886, Rizal arrived in Leipzig. There he attended some lectures at the University of Leipzig on his history and psychology. It was in Madrid that he began writing Noli Me Tangere. He also attended classes in the University of Paris, and in 1887 he completed his eye specialization course at the University of Heidelberg, and it was also in that year that Rizal's first novel was published in Berlin. Love Life of Jose Rizal. Ang una po ay si Segunda Katigbak. 14 years old pa lang si Rizal nang makilala niya ito. Kumbaga, siya yung puppy love niya ni Jose Rizal. Sumunod ay si Leonor Valenzuela. Nakilala niya nung nag-aaral siya sa UST. Sumunod si Leonor Rivera na kinukonsidered as the one that got away ni Dr. Jose Rizal. Nagtagal sila ng 11 years. Sumunod naman ay si Consuelo Ortiga y Perez, nakilala sa Madrid, ngunit mahal pa rin niya si Leonor. Si Oseiza, nakilala sa Japan, muntik ng pakasalan, subalit mas nanaig ang pagmamahal ni Rizal sa bayan. Gertrude Beckett, nakilala sa London at nakituloy sa kanila. Nahulog si Gertrude sa karisma ni Dr. Jose Rizal, ngunit hindi rin sila nagkatuluyan. Si Nelly Bosted, isang Pranses, hindi pumayag si Rizal na maging isang protestante. Naghiwalay subalit na natiling magkaibigan. Si Suzanne Jacobe, nakilala sa Belgium, umalis si Rizal patungong Madrid at naiwan si Suzanne na nagdadalamhati. Si Josephine Bracken ay napangasawa ni Dr. Jose Rizal. Nagkaroon sila ng anak, ngunit nalaglag ang dinadalang anak ni Josephine. And ito na rin po yung huling babae sa buhay ni Dr. Jose Rizal bago siya mamatay. Jose Rizal death. He was executed by the Spanish colonial government for the crime of rebellion after the Philippine Revolution broke out. It was inspired by his writings. Nanap po siya sa Bagong Bayan kung saan siya ganap na papatayin. Humingi ng request na sana ay nakaharap, ngunit hindi siya pinayagan. Pinulsuan siya ni Dr. Felipe Ruiz Castro, isang Kastilang manggagamot ng hukbo, at nagulat ito nang malamang normal ang pulso niya na nagpapatunay na hindi siya natatakot mamatay. Narinig na ang mga tunog ng tambol at ang pangingibabaw ng sigaw na nag-uutos na barilin na siya. Sinundan iyon ng 6 na putok ng mga baril. Pilit ipiniit ni Rizal ang kanyang katawan ng pakanan at paharap, at siya'y nabuwal na ang mukay nakatingala at nakaharap sa sumisikat na araw. Nagdiwang ang mga Kastila nang mapatay na nila si Dr. Jose Rizal. At ang huling nasabi ni Rizal is consummatum est, which means it is finished. Jose Rizal was secretly buried in the Paco Cemetery in Manila, but no identification was placed in his grave. His sister Narcisa tried to look in every grave site and found freshly turned soil at the Paco Cemetery, assuming that the burial site as the area where Rizal was buried. She gave a gift to the site caretakers so as to mark the grave with RPJ, the initial of Rizal, in reverse. Rizal in the eyes of millennials. These are the questions that I have prepared for my interviewees.
Physician and a novelist.
National hero. Jose Protasio Rizal. Jose Protasio, di ko na alam.
Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado.
Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado. Protasio Rizal. June 1861 sa Laguna. June 1861.
June 19, 1861 at Calamba, Laguna.
18 matanda. Laguna. June 19, 1861, Laguna. Sa Spain. Hindi ko alam eh.
Studied medicine at Spain.
Spain. Spain? Luke. Usmar.
Usman.
Brownie. Usmar. Francisco at Chodora. Francisco Mercado.
Francisco Mercado and Teodora Alonso.
Francisco Mercado at Teodora Alonso. Francisco Mercado. Rivera Leonor. Josephine Bracken.
Josephine Bracken.
Josephine. Hindi ko alam apelyido.
Leonora.
Josephine. Leonor Rivera.
It's Leonor Rivera.
Wala. No limitang mo. Hindi ko alam.
Mi primera.
May Primera.
Florante at Laura.
Agui. Is finished.
Consumatum. It is finished.
Help. Aray.
Here is the video and naka-indicate po yung link kung saan po siya makikita. Uploaded po yung video sa YouTube channel ko. Based on the results, most of them don't really know who is Jose Rizal. It makes me sad because how it will happen if the young generation nowadays are not knowledgeable in basic information about Dr. Jose Rizal. Mag-iiwan po ako ng isang quotes na the youth is the hope of our future according to Dr. Jose Rizal. Jose Rizal gained the youth to be our future's hope because he trusts in us and believes that we, the youth and the elders, can establish a brighter future for our country. In our country, youth have the right to speak. We have the authority to guide our country toward a brighter future. Thank you, that's all. Here are the sources.